This video will make you sneeze in just 7 seconds.
Yep, you read that right.
This trick is mind-blowing. More than 80% of the viewers will sneeze after watching this trick. Before we start, only 1% of the fastest people can like and subscribe. In just a second, let's dive in. Stare at the center of this illusion. Now stare at the lights in your room. Did you sneeze? Tell me in the comments. Want to see another interesting and horror trick? What if you can see a zombie in your room? After watching this video, you will see a zombie in your room. I have an amazing optical illusion for you, and this trick will work on 70% of the viewer watching this video. This trick will only work if you follow the rules. Just keep staring at the center of this zombie and do not blink for about 20 seconds. Now look at the white surface around you and blink 3 times. Did you see anything? Did this optical illusion work for you? Tell me in the comments.